Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal Campus. Science, grade 4, unit number 2, lesson number 2. Students, bring your student book and classwork notebook, open them and keep them open during lecture. Write date, topic and index properly. Listen to your teacher attentively and write all the important points said by the teacher on your classwork notebooks. Write down all the answers on your classwork notebook. Dear students, open page number 20. Look at question number 1. Read which is the best summary for paragraph. Discuss with a partner. So you have to read this paragraph on page number 20 about reproduction and write a short and brief summary about this paragraph, and you have to decide that which can be the best summary for this paragraph. So you have to write it briefly and make a good and best summary for this paragraph, and also discuss with your partner. Question number 2. Each seed in the picture has a tiny parachute. How do these parachutes help these seeds scatter? So in this question, there is a picture on page number 20. Here is a picture of a maple seed. So you can see that here parachutes are present on each seed. So you think about it, that how this tiny parachute can help the seed to scatter from one place to another place, and think and write about this answer, that how these tiny parachute can help the seeds to scatter. Page number 21. Question number 3. Read and underline 2 sentences in the text that describe the picture below. So you have to look at page number 21. In this paragraph is given having a topic, parts of a flower. So you have to underline 2 sentences which can describe the picture below, and the below picture is about a flower having pollen, petals, bees. Basically the phenomena of pollination is described over here. So you have to underline 2 lines from the text that describe this picture. Page number 22. Question number 5. Read and label parts of seed. So here is a picture of a seed having 3 different parts which are mentioned in this page number 22. First one is seed leaf, second one is seed coat, and the third one is developing plant leaf. So you have to write these 3 labeling on appropriate place. Look at the picture of a seed, think about it, and then write these 3 labelings on appropriate place on the page number 22. Page number 23. Question number 6. Read and number the stages 1 till 3 in order. So here 3 stages are given, so you have to label them as 1, 2 and 3, but remember that you have to label them appropriately in a cyclic manner, that which stage will come first and which will come after that, and so on. So you have to write 1, 2 and 3 to these stages in order, and then check your answer with a partner. Page number 24. Question number 7. Read and label the stages in the life cycle of a flowering plant. So here are 4 stages given. First one is pollination, second one is adult plant, third one is seed, and the fourth one is growth. And here 4 blanks are given. The stage is described appropriately, but the name are missing. So you have to read this paragraph and read and label the stages in the life cycle of a flowering plant, and read out these stages which are given over here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then label them with given words. Question number 8. Page number 25. Read and compare the 2 life cycles shown on the pages. Write their title for stage 2 and 3. So here is also again a title of stage 2 and 3 is missing, so you have to read about these stages and write the title of stage number 2 and 3 on page number 25. And firstly you have to compare 2 life cycles. The first one is life cycle of flowering plant, and the second one on the page number 25 is life cycle of a coniferous plant. So you have to compare these 2 life cycles and write a detailed answer on your classwork notebook. Additional questions. So here are some additional questions which you have to do on your classwork notebook. Question number 1 is, how does seed grow? So you have to write a topic paragraph about that, how does seed grow. Question number 2, how cones help the plants? And then you have to write about cones, that how cones help the plant in the growth, in the reproduction, in the adult plant formation, adult tree formation. So you have to write all this process. Question number 3 is, define life cycle. So you have to define life cycle. What is a life cycle? You can look at page number 24 and find its answer. So write all these answers on your classwork notebooks. Question number 4 is, describe life cycle of a flowering plant. So you have to describe the life cycle of a flowering plant, which is given on the page number 24, having stages 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to write it appropriately. Question number 5 is, describe about life cycle of a conifer plant. So here is again on the page number 25, a complete life cycle of a conifer plant is explained. So you have to write it making a complete life cycle topic. Dear students, write all the questions and their answers on your classwork notebooks. So this is end of the lesson. Allah Hafiz.